Hi everybody, NAVIFORCE again. The NF9199S got great attention since it is released, and this time we redesigned it with the new TPU strap. Okay, now let's start with the new watch. As you can see here, the black box is quite textured and has nice quality. Okay, let me read it off. Okay, here is the instruction manual and the guarantee card. We offer the warranty period for 1 year. Our instruction manual has 8 kinds of languages. Here now it is the watch. This watch powered by Japanese Quartz movement. It is durable to use and shows a sense of sophisticated design. First, let's have a look at the back side. From the back side here, you can know the model number of this watch. Here, NF9199. And the material of the back is stainless steel, and the waterproof is for 3 ATM. It made use of the hardened mirror glass so that it is scratch resistant and quite durable to use. All parameter is put at the upper right screen. The case diameter of this model is 45.5 mm and the thickness is 15.5 mm. See the details here. The total length of this watch is 240 mm, and you can notice that the TPU strap is quite soft and easy to adjust and comfortable. And it is water resistant and wet sweat resistant. So if you like do in sport or exercise, you can wear this watch with the TPU strap. It's quite beautiful and durable to use. Okay, now let's move on the dial design. Just like the NF9199S, this watch equipped with a sunken LCD screen on the left and a small offset dial for showing the analog time of the chamfering design. It has many practical functions like the alarm clock function and the stopwatch function. Here, you can see the LCD light for the left screen. On the dial surface here, there is the honeycomb pattern applying on the surface. It is very fashion and cool. And the small offset dial from the side to see the dial, you can see the chamfering design. It is quite three-dimensional here. And this kind of the design can be said unique, and it is a new interpretation of Chinese inclusive traditional idea. Okay, now let me introduce the colors of the 91990. Here the colorway is quite different from the NF9199S. As you can see, there are a total of 6 colors here. Okay, the first one is the black and the yellow. It is with the black case and the yellow TPU strap, and here the tetrameter bezel and the offset dial, and enlarge the numeral marker. Here are the yellow. The next one is the black orange. It is the color that we just talked about. It is with the black case and the orange TPU strap and the dial. This one, the whole looks quite fashion and energetic. Okay, the third one is the black red. It is with the black case and the TPU strap and the red offset dial. Here the tetrameter bezel. Okay, the fourth one is the solid blue. The rose gold lugs and the offset small dial. Here the number. It is with the blue case and the blue TPU strap. Still very cool, right? Okay, the fifth one is the black and the white. It is with the black case, black TPU strap and the white offset dial. Here the numbers are in white color. Okay, the last one color is the black coffee. It is with the black case and the rose gold lugs and offset dial here. But the coffee color, the TPU strap is quite unique and very desirable. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9199T today. Please thumb up and subscribe, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more. See you next time. Bye bye.